those two. This one. And that one, my little window cat. Hilarious. I have to record this. Picasso. Picasso. Oh, he's eyeballing him. What he wants to do is run him off. That's what he wants. It's like somebody's taking over my territory. Ooh. He's on. Come on, Picasso. Jax, be nice. He's like, I made it. What you gonna do, King Kong? You beauty. I realize that you rule. I do. But if Mama accepts, hey, beautiful. If Mama accepts somebody else into the crew, you need to too. Hello, Picasso. Sweet baby. Yeah, I made such improvement. Now I can pet him. Come here, baby. Yeah. There. Look at that. Yeah. Hey, beautiful. He's such a protector. Hi. Hi. Picasso was just sharpening his claws and Jax jumped him. Stop it. Stop. Picasso, it's okay. Jax? Really? Stop it. Stop it. Stop it, you full of jealousy. Quit. Hey. Hey. It's Mama's hand. You and I have known each other for about 7 years now. Stop it. Done everything I could for you. You treat the next cat with respect. Picasso?